Put liquid detergent to freeze and you will be surprised by the result. At first, I did not think this was possible, but when I saw the excellent results, I was so impressed. Today, I will share it with you. I saw that this trick was done a lot in a town hotel, and I showed it to my husband and he went. With this, preparing this is very simple. Just get a container to make ice similar to this. Then add liquid detergent or liquid soap dishwashers in each of the spaces. If you get a small ice container, it will be much better. Then you just have to cover with plastic or aluminum foil, or put a lid if you bring it. Once you have it ready, you are going to take it to freeze in the fridge for approximately 2 hours. While the time passes for them to freeze, we are going to prepare our dishwasher sponge. To this, we will open a hole in the center so that the frozen detergent cube that we prepared can fit there. Now take advantage and let me know where you are watching my video, so I will send you a special in the next video. Today we want to send a greeting to Bartmart from China. Once the liquid detergent cubes are frozen, we are going to introduce one inside the dishwasher. We proceed to wet the sponge so that it foams with the liquid detergent already frozen. Now I will explain the benefit of doing this using liquid soap. This way, it will yield much more, and that is why in the kitchens of the town hotels they use it. This will last you much longer, which will help you save more product. While this is defrosting, you will use it and it will concentrate in the sponge, helping you scrub. Largest number of frets for each cube. Depending on the number of frets you are going to wash, for example, if the frets are few, you do need a complete cube, but with taking a small part, it will be enough for you for everything, so you not have to throw detergent every time you go to wash a plate or a glass. Another way you can use the sponge when you cut it in the center is by adding a little sodium. It is very common that when you have food in the refrigerator for a long time, it begins to smell. This smell becomes very annoying since every time you open the refrigerator, it floods the hole. All you have to do is place the sponge with bicarbonate inside the refrigerator and the bicarbonate. Absorb all the bad smell, leaving it stuck in the sponge. And in turn, the bicarbonate is very powerful to prevent food from damaging quickly and filling bacteria. Which of these two tricks was your favorite? Let me know your answer below. And if you found this information interesting, make it reach someone who can be useful to you. Learn more at www.